Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the following diagram. The one thing that caught Mr. Tan's eye is that there are two right angle triangles. So Mr. Tan probably in his mind is thinking trigonometric ratios, or Pythagoras theorem at some point in time in my working. Okay? And the very first question require us to find the length of BD. And I will turn my attention to the blue color triangle. Here, since I am given the angle 55 degrees and one of the sides 15, and I need to find what is my BD. Okay, so in this particular instance, using 55 degrees, I would then be able to identify this as my adjacent side of angle 55 degrees. And this is my hypotenuse of the angle 55 degrees. Okay? And since I have A and H, so with trois so the three trigonometric ratios for this blue color, you will then see Mr. Tan applying cosine ratio. So cosine of this 55 degrees is equals to 15 A over BD, which is the hypotenuse. And I'm going to multiply by BD on both sides. BD of cosine 55 degree is equal to 15 before I divide by cosine 55 degrees on both sides. Okay? And that will give me what? The length of BD, which is equals to 26.1517. If I round it off to 6 significant figure, let me just create some space. Followed by 3 significant figure, 26.2 cm. Alright, part A is done. Part B, let's see, what do we want? Oh, angle BCD. This angle. And since we are talking about angle BCD, so I turn my attention to the green color right angle triangle. And in this green color right angle triangle, with respect to the angle we need to find, angle BCD, then I will have my hypo here. And the length BD will become my opposite side of the angle BCD. So with O and H, you will then see Mr. Tan applying sine ratio to solve for angle BCD. So angle BCD will be equals to opposite, in this case BD, which is 26.1517. Notice that Mr. Tan used the 6 significant figure value so that I can maintain my accuracy. Alright, and once I have this, then I could continue to find my angle BCD easily, which is the sine inverse of this particular ratio. And this will give me a value of 57.5226 to 4 decimal place, followed by 1 decimal place. Eh, 57.5 degrees to 1 decimal place. Okay, let's move on to the third question, third part C. Find the length of CD. So let's zoom back in. So to find the length of CD, which I'm going to just highlight in purple, then you can then see that I already have my BD, 26.1517, sorry. I also have my 31 here. And this being a right angle triangle, which means I will be able to simply apply, yes, Pythagoras theorem. All right. And that's what Mr. Tan will apply next here. And so, part C. CD square plus 26.1517 square is equals to 31 square. And therefore, CD will be equals to 16.6 cm when I round off to 3 significant figures. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.